What's up, you guys? My name is Daniel, and today's makeup look we are going to be doing Lord Voldemort from the Harry Potter series. First step in Voldemort's look is we gotta put on a bald cap. This is a vinyl bald cap that I've shaped to my head just by snipping it out a bit. We want to keep the ears covered because Voldemort doesn't really have ears. In the movies, Voldemort doesn't necessarily have any contact lenses, but in the books of Harry Potter, Voldemort is to be described as having these red snake eyes. After these giant contacts are in my eyes, we're going to glue on the foam latex prosthetic. I'm starting by gluing just the nose and then gradually gluing the edges down piece by piece. Now I'm going to start painting this prosthetic piece. I'm going to be putting a blood layer on the foam latex just to give it the same undertones as my actual skin tone. Voldemort is very gray and blue looking, so I've mixed a concoction of alcohol-based paints that will really dull out the skin. Now for the final reveal, we're putting on the Voldemort robe, and I really feel like a dark wizard. We've got the same wand that he uses, and I am living for this. Alright, you guys, this is it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. What's up, you guys? My name is Daniel, and today we're going to be doing a drag queen transformation. The biggest challenge about this look is actually gluing down my eyebrows. The very first thing you have to do is glue down the eyebrows and give it a very flat plane to draw a new face right on top of. Once the brows are set, we're going to start off with foundation. I'm putting a lighter highlight color in the center of my face, more contour shades on my cheekbones and jawline, and then the rest of the foundation will fill in between. Then we blend that all together and start baking the face with powder. Now to start off those eyes, we're going to create a larger shape than they actually appear. So I'm going to go in with a white cream color underneath my eyes to really open them up. Then with a black eyeliner, we're going to cut out a giant drag cat eye. I'm going to be using a red eyeshadow immediately above the eyeliner that fades into an orange shade. for the lips, they're going to be black. I really wanted to put a bold, solid lip on her, and I think black does the trick. We're gonna put a gloss right on top of that, just to give it that very fashion-forward look. As I was looking at this in the mirror, I really thought that it was missing something, so we decided to pop on a bottom lash right underneath the white line that we drew underneath our actual eyes. My inspiration for this is actually Cruella de Vil, the Glenn Close version. I really felt like I transformed into this character. We got the attitude, we've got the personality. I really was channeling Glenn Close and Cruella de Vil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.